Hey you guys, it's Mike. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural hair essential, what I think every natural should have in their arsenal. Now, I've been natural for a very long time, and these things and products have came in handy, and especially when I don't have a lot of money, I get what I can get, and this has helped me get to the length I am at now. Of course, these things I have learned along the way, watching YouTube videos, and even things I just picked up on my own. I just figured like this is perfect, this is gonna work. So yeah, let me stop talking and let's jump right into it. Starting off, you need water. Every natural needs water. If you want to grow your hair, you want your hair to be moisturized and healthy, you need water. You need water. That's it. That's it. Nothing else to say about that. Of course, you need your products, things you're gonna do to take care of your hair. I personally like to use I like to use any kind of shampoo and conditioner. I never been really particular about shampoo conditioner. Not further along in my natural hair journey. I've been natural for a really long time, so I do want to be cautious about what I'm putting on my scalp and my hair. So right now what I'm really liking is the Hollywood Beauty Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. This was sent to me. I did kind of a review on these, and if you guys want to see it, make sure you check it out up there. Use those. My hair is soft, my hair is clean, my hair it smells really good. It's just really nice and manageable. But these are not the only shampoo conditioners that I use. I use more, but this is the one. These is just what I'm digging right now. Do not skip out on deep conditioning. If you're natural, deep condition your hair. Deep condition your hair. You need that in your hair. Alright? And what I like to use now, I love deep conditioning. I always kind of skip the conditioner part, but I love deep conditioning my hair. It just does something to my hair. And I like to use the ORS, their HAIRestore hair mayonnaise with the Nettle leaf and Horsetail extract. And this is kind of like a protein treatment too. If you don't want to do a thorough deep conditioning, thorough deep protein treatment, this is really good for you, girl. And we can't leave out the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is going to instill and ensure moisture in your hair, especially after your wash days and in between your wash days. So I like to use why did I do that? I like to use the Creme of Nature, the Argan Oil Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. Of course, this has like protein in it as well, so I kind of like to steer away from this a little bit. I spray it in my hair when I need, but of course I use more leave-in conditioner. But you know, I'm just telling y'all what I use. My girls and my guys who are natural or not, you need some oil in your life. I like to use the coconut avocado oil. I like to use olive oil. I like to use grapeseed oil. I have castor oil for my edges because I'm trying to grow these things back. Tea tree oil. I use a lot of oils. And I love oils. I love just drenching my hair in that stuff. And I like to use oils, especially when I'm doing a pre-poo session, I'm doing detangling, and when I'm doing hot oil treatment on my hair and my hair type. It just saves a lot of time, and it helps so much with detangling. And oils are really good to get you the nutrients that you need and sealing all your moisture. Get you some butters. This is my DIY butter. I probably would do a video about it, but it's so many DIY videos. But I kind of tweak mine. I add a lot of stuff in mine. But you know, get you some good oils, good shea butter, mango butter, anything buttery, oily, you need it. Okay? Need you a good hair cream, a hair butter, hair styler, something of the sort. And I like to use the ORS, their olive oil, incredible rich oil moisture hair lotion. I have more that I like to use. I really don't use styling cream, but I'm trying to invest more in them, and I think a natural should need them because again, it kind of helps with keeping the hair moisturized, keeping the hair shiny and styled, especially if you want to wear a twist style, braid out. I think hair creams help with that a lot, especially if you don't get that with your hair and your oils. With your hair oils and your hair butters. Get you a good hair lotion, hair cream. Yeah. We need it. You need it. If you don't, I will say this. Now, it's some people that's protein sensitive, and it's some people that just don't like to use protein at all. But I'm one of those people. I like using protein on my hair. I think it's wonderful. And for me, I like to use the ApHogee 2-step treatment. I use the whole system, the whole line for this. I love it, especially when I need a protein treatment. I don't do a protein treatment all the time, but I do it when I need it, and I think it's very, very good for a natural to have this in the arsenal. Even if you don't even want to do the whole step, try to find products to where you have a little bit of protein in it, because protein helps with strength. For a comb, you guys, get y'all a detangling comb. This comb is bomb. Get you a really good wide tooth comb. Wide tooth. I really like this comb for my hair. Specifically, I have kinky. I'm talking about kinky. It's curly like a spring. So this is perfect for when I'm detangling my hair. Yo, she's wonderful. And I like to have different styles of the rat tail comb. I think the rat tail comb is really, really good if you want to style your hair. And I like to use it when I'm coming out my ends, so I can help get it into a twist so I can avoid knots. And I like to use the rat tail comb when I'm straightening out my hair. I like to use this kind of comb with the metal end at sometimes too, because sometimes you get one of these combs, their combs are not pointy enough. Yeah, get you some rat tail combs. I think you need them. You're gonna need your good brush. This is a soft bristle brush. It's not really hard. I kind of would prefer a harder brush, but it still gets the job done. It gets the hair sleek and put up, comb down my hairs. I'm not a real fan of baby hair edges, and no, I'm not that girl. I'm not against them, it's just now I'm against them for my head. And I like to use a toothbrush as well for my edges. And you guys invest in a tangling brush. I have a regular dimming brush, but I got this brush from the beauty supply store. It was like $1, $2, and I was like, what? And it's hard, and it can come out, and it's just like the original dimming brush. It's really, really good, and you can take the combs out in the middle. It's really good. And there's so many brushes. You have the Tangle Teaser. You have so many out there. Now, if you struggle with getting your scalp clean and you struggle with washing it with your hands, I say get you one of these shower combs. I used to use these a lot back in the day. My aunt used to use these on me and my cousin's hair, my sister's hair, when she used to style her hair, and we used to wash her hair with a shampoo comb brush thingy. And I've started back using these because I could not never, how you use the two double negatives? Anyway, I could never really just get my scalp really clean. Every time I go back through my hair, my scalp is still dirty, and I'm like, dude, like what's the point even washing your hair still dirty? And this has helped a lot, and it's shortened down my shower time. So I say get these. If you really struggle with that, get one of these. But if you good, girl, if you know how to wash your scalp, girl, real good, I need you to come wash my hair for me. I need you to do it. But yeah, get you one of these. For the scalp, we want to get something done in the scalp, get one of these combs, y'all. I think this like the dye comb, or you know, when you apply dye on your hair or on a wig, you know, apply dye or a relaxer, perm, or anything, get one of these combs. Bomb. I usually use this to apply my henna to my hair, but now I'm using it to apply oil to my scalp. I also use it to apply oil to my scalp. And yo, Taste Peak put that in her video. I was like, dude, that's genius. I didn't even think about using that. I just used it in my animal. I was like, get one of these. It saves so much time. You have to use your fingers, and this ensures that you get oil on them parts, on them. Just this, get one of these. Get this. Yes, get it. To ensure some blood circulation, you guys want to get a scalp massager. I wanted to invest in a scalp massager myself, but dude, I ain't got no money like that. So when I saw this baby in the beauty supply store, I was like, yo, I paid like $3 for this thing, and I was like, yo, get that. You need to start doing more scalp massages, dude. And it saves so much time. I don't have to use my fingers all the time. Y'all, I'm one of those people. I do not like getting stuff on my hands. It gets on my nerve. I'm not gonna say it grosses me out, but it gets on my nerves. It irritates. I don't like when hair and things get on my fingers. So when oils and extra curriculum things get on my, it's just too much. It's doing too much. So when I do a scalp massage, I like to use this. It's great. It saves so much time, and I can get me a scalp massage, and I also can get a scalp massage with this comb as well, but it's pretty much used to kind of scratch your hair a lot. But if you can invest in one of these, invest in a good one that vibrates. You put batteries in it. Just, you know, there's so many out there. You guys get a scalp massager or get somebody to do it for you. Ooh, that sounds like a good idea. And we girls and guys needs us some little alligator clamps. I guess that's what these called. These day ones. Had these forever. And it gets everything separated and out of the way. Keep things glued down. Yeah, get you some alligator clamps. Get you some clamps. And get hair ties, you guys. Have the metal, not metal, but they have ones like rubber, silicone type. Get some of those. You can make your own. You can make silk ones. Just get some good hair ties, you guys. And next we need us a really good heat protectant. I really like to use the Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray. Smells great. It's a really good heat protectant. There's so many out there. So many, but I think this is a good one. And I use another one, but I can't think. It's from OGX. I'm sorry, yeah, OGX. And I forgot what it's called. It's their keratin one. That's a really good one. And from Chi. I think Chi has one. Chi, how you say it? Chi, I think. They have really good heat stuff. Invest, okay? Now this is what I discovered over time. Just watching videos. I forgot who I saw use these things. Of course I use this to put oil on my hair, my scalp. But y'all, get you one of these application bottles with the angled sprout on it, and put y'all shampoo in there. Put your shampoo, your oils, your gels. Y'all, this saves my shampoo timing down all the way. And I get right in there, clean my scalp. If you struggle with cleaning your scalp, if you struggle getting product on your scalp, shampoo on your scalp, yo, get one of those and put your shampoo in there. Get you one, put your oils in there. Just get an application bottle. Application bottles are bomb. You need them in your life. If you want to store oils, you want to mix oils. Yeah. And oh, every natural should have a regimen, a routine of some sort of how to take care of the hair. Well, anybody that take care of the hair should have a routine or a regimen. That's how you're going to show your hair is clean and how your hair is going to be healthy and it's going to grow and it's going to retain length. I think that's very important and very, very, very detailed thing. Guys, this pretty much is, these are my natural hair essentials. And if I left anything out, or you know, if I forgot something, I will link it down in the description box so you guys make sure you check it out, all the products and links and everything. But if you guys like my natural hair essentials, the things I think you need, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I surely appreciate it. It will help. And you guys make sure you are subscribed. I will love you forever. And remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.